Information. Listen. D-bit. Line inclined to both the plane. Line inclined to both the plane. Both the plane means BP and HP. Both the plane means BP and HP. Note down. Note down on separate page. Don't mix with earlier. D-bit should be on separate page. Yes. Yes. D-bit on separate page. Line inclined to both the planes, VP and HP. I want all figures of D in 6B sheet. Because there are two bifurcations. 6A belongs to ABC category and 6B belongs to D category. What you understand, Amma? I did something for D. What I did? Can anyone respond? Anyone? I did something. I want you people should respond.
Line is not parallel to each plane.
Yes?
Line is not parallel to any plane.
Okay. I did something. Why voice is so slow? Make your voice. Yes, anyone? What I did, D?
Important.
Yes?
Stars.
I'm not getting your voice clearly, Amma. Is my wall? Yes. Can you speak loudly?
You drawn stars.
What does that mean? One thing you remember. 99.9999% problems are belongs to D-bit. How many problems?
99.99%.
Almost all any problem maybe belongs to category of D. Then you may ask, sir, why you spend your valuable time for ABC? Those who not understand ABC, they cannot solve D. Getting my point clearly. I always, student will ask, sir, can you give important question? This is not important. You are not understanding this. Understand means now onwards, any problem which I will solve, it may be exam point of view problem. Exam, I'm talking not only mid-examination, annual examination. Only difference is he can change values, but he cannot change principle. Getting my point? Understanding? But one weakness of this D point is, if I solve 10 problem, 11th is different. If I solve 20, 21st is different. If I solve 100, 101 is different. What it means? What it means?
Everyone is different.
Yes.
Any
girl student, any response? Bhavya? Anyone? You understand Cheskondi. And all are different problems. But one thing I will say, the guy who understands 2 to 3 problem perfectly, Here perfection is most important. He can solve thousands of problems. Take first problem. You will come to know what is the speciality. Here I will solve n number of problems. Take. Draw the projection of a line AB. 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 Incline to both HP and VP. 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 Incline to both HP and VP, comma, whose true length, whose true length, whose true length, comma, true inclination, whose true length, comma, true inclination, comma, true inclination, and location of one of endpoint, and location of one of endpoint, say S, are given below. Say A as given below. Shall I repeat or note it down?
Repeat.
Draw the projection of a line AB. Draw the projection of a line AB. Incline to both HP and VP. Incline to both HP and VP, comma, whose true length, comma, true inclination, comma, true inclination, and location of one of the endpoint, location of one of the endpoint, say A. Location of one of the endpoints, say A, given below. Given below. What is he given? True length. This is important. This you have to note down neatly. Given data. True length AB 70 mm. How much? 70 mm. Next. Theta 30 degree. HP inclination. Phi 45 degree. VP inclination. Then point A is 35 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of BP. These many things are known. How many? True length is known, it is given. Theta is known, phi is known, location of A is known. Agree? Yes, sir. Then what are the unknowns? Always remember. Unknowns are front view, A dash B dash, unknown. Top view, AB, unknown. Alpha, unknown. Alpha is HP inclination. Beta is BP inclination. Question mark means? Question mark means?
To find.
Any response?
We should find it.
We have to find. One thing remember. Line problem. D bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minimum things should be known. But among that, some few of them are known, few of them are unknown. Everything we have to evaluate. Then only you can solve this problem. Otherwise, not at all possible. You see, now onwards, you note down this neatly. Every problem, first you check. I will make variation in this problem only. Here only I will make variation. Values is not a matter. The position is a matter. Understand? How many entities? 1, 2, 3. You consider this as a 1 unit only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minimum 8 things are required. Minimum. Okay. Next. Shall I solve? Nothing. I am not did anything. I am combined C1 plus C2. I am combining this both C1, C2. 30 degrees C1 value 45. Only I taken common length 70. There I changed value. Apart from that, it is a combination of C bit. See what I will do. Now onwards one advantage. No need to draw side view. No need to draw. No need to draw.
Side view.
No need to draw. This only I given for additional information. Means in rarely if somebody asks a question, you people in a position, only you want front view and top view. That is only two principal plane. Now onwards, I won't solve anything on side view. See how it is simple. XY line. This is X. Listen carefully. This is VP. This is HP. Understand? First fixed point. 35 mm above HP. HP value represent on VP. 25 mm. So this point is A. This point is A dash. Take this value. For first problem, once you understand one, you may understand everything. This is 25. This is 35. What I told, draw the locus line. Yes, same procedure. This is locus line. This is locus line. Okay. You can name this as locus of A, locus of A dash. Any doubts until now? Any doubt? Same procedure. This is A dash, A. Now, one by one, what he told, known values, you have to put it systematically. What is the known value? Fixed point, fixed, finish. A over. True length is there, true inclination. Theta HP value represent on VP. See, how much? 30 degree. See, carefully take 30 degree here. So this is 10, 20, 30. Take this line. Draw first a big line, 30 degree line. This is theta is equal to 30 degree. What I told, 70, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. If it is A dash, say this one as B1 dash, not B dash. This is a first change. This is true length. Then from this point, draw the locus line. Locus means parallel to. This is locus of A dash. This is locus of B dash. If you want to write its dimension. How much? This is 70. Got it? Same thing we did. Only I am not made this as dark. Why? I will tell later. A dash, B1 dash. Project it perpendicularly up to locus of A. Same thing you did in first C1 bit. Projected perpendicularly. If it is B1 dash, it will become B1. It will become B1. Jagrata. Same thing. AB and we wrote in C1. We wrote A dash, B dash. But only I changed nomenclature. B1 dash, B1. Okay. 30 degree over. I used 30 degree. I have same flexibility to use 45 degree. I will use again 45 degree in top view. HP value represent down. VP value represent down. HP representation is, see, this is phi is equal to, we are combining both figures because it is inclined to both the planes. 45 degree line. Measure it 70. So this is 70. Measure it. If you told this one as B1 dash, name this as B2, not dash, because nothing should be dash below, only dashes should be above. Draw the locus line. Locus line is a parallel line to XY line. It is locus of B. Jagrata mamma. In this problem, you need 4 locus. Locus of A dash, locus of A. We will get by using the fixed point. But remaining endpoints, locus of B dash, locus of B is must. If you get 4 locus, then only you can complete that figure. Okay. What we did here, you see, this line we projected up to top view, front view, project perpendicularly up to front view. See, project this line. If you want for your representation, write TL. TL means true length. You taken true length. No need to write 2 times. Already once you wrote TL, it is only for your reference. If it is B2, name this as B2 dash. Any doubts, Amma? Name cheyaledamma. 30 degrees given. I taken 30. I know 70. I measured. Only named B1 dash, projected up to locus of A. Finished. I know the value of 45 degree. I taken 45 degree. I know the length, true length 70. I measured 70. Projected up to here. Finish. This is up to here. Now listen carefully. That is important. Take A dash B2 dash as radius. A dash B2 dash as radius. A dash as center. Center should be A dash. Radius A. Cut that R. Getting my point? A dash B2 dash as radius. A dash as center. Cut R. That arc has to cut locus of B dash. E locus cut cheyalama. Ekkada cut ayipotundi. Same thing. Take A B1 as radius. A B1 as radius. A as center. Draw the arc. A B1 as radius. A B1 as radius, A as center, draw the arc. It has to cut locus of B. Wherever it cuts locus of B, mark this point. Join this with this. This is B dash amma. Jagratam, this is the only dark line. Same thing, it will cut here. Join these two. This is dark, this is B. It is front view, it is top view. And this angle is called alpha. And this angle is called beta. That's why I told theta and phi are true inclination. Alpha and beta are apparent inclination. You have to draw this figure. Then how to cross verify this figure is correct or not? Draw this line. This line and this line should be parallel. A dash is in one line, B dash is in one line, and relation between these two lines should be parallel. Then only your answer is correct, otherwise your answer is wrong. You can decide whether you did it correctly or not. Chappandamma, how you felt this figure? Any response? Felt easy, tough, complex, simple? I am talking to you people. Any response? Now you see. Measure A dash B dash. Measure this length, whatever it may be length. Measure it right here. First initially question mark, now it is answer. Measure AB length. This, write it. This is question mark ante pettali. Again you have to write its value. Measure this, keeping protractor here. Keep this protractor. Measure its angle, that is alpha. Measure this angle, that is beta. All unknowns will become knowns now. Getting my point? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's why I told. Don't worry about that. I will solve this problem once more time in next class. Okay. Don't get panic. But once you understand, fantastic problems, Amma. All problems are excellent problems. These problems, whoever can solve, it will show it talent to grab it. So I hope in future come with free of mind. I know that these problems need logic, thinking, movement. That's why I told this problem question paper 90. You take any question paper 99.99999 until now. Unit 2 I started almost all 1 week 10 days back. But what I told, it is only basic foundation, Amma. This is the structure. Things are very, very systematic order. And I want only AB should be dark, A dash. And then you may ask, sir, in earlier problem, we taken this as it, earlier problem, it is parallel. But now line is inclined to both the planes. Means here also it is apparent length. Here also it is apparent length. So where is the question of true length, Amma? Ni shadow is not true length, Amma. This is your true length. But your shadow reflecting is apparent. I want only apparent length and apparent inclination. I don't want your true length. I know that. True length is already known. Only I want to follow. If this will be the angle, what will be the length of the shadow? Yes, sir. Understand?
Sir,
Next class we will meet. I will give time to note down. I will explain once more time. Then you note down. Okay? Fine. I will take attendance. Wait for a while. Then we will wind up the class. Right, Amma? Thank you. See you. Okay? Bye.